One of the things that you'll do often in Excel is to check and debug formulas. In this video we'll look at how you can use the F9 key to quickly break down a formula into pieces you can understand. So here I've got a simple list of names, date of birth, age and status. Now if you're inheriting a workbook you can find any cells that contain formulas by using the Find and Select option, and that's up here to the right. Click on Find and Select. Click on Formulas. Any cells containing formulas will be selected. Now we can start to use the F9 key to see what the formulas are doing. It's generally easier to debug a formula in the formula bar, and you can expand this formula bar by just dragging it down. So once you're in edit mode, you can use the F9 key to check the formula. Here you can select any part of the formula manually, but the function tooltip key allows you to select the elements of the formula much easier. So you can select this tooltip by clicking anywhere within the formula, and then you can select each part of the formula. So here we can see the three elements, and you can click on each part in the tooltip. Once you have an argument selected, if you press F9, it will evaluate. So we can see that E4 will return adult, E3 returns adult, and the logical test returns true because David is over 18 years old. Now here you need to press the escape key so you don't change the actual formula. So for the age column, we've got a formula to work out the age as a fraction and an integer function to return that value as an integer. So if we click inside the formula and look at each part, we've got the start date and the end date as date serial values. And then if we click on the int function and press F9, it returns the age as a fraction. And then if we click outside of the int function and press F9, it returns that age as an integer. So hopefully you'll find this function useful when you're trying to understand a formula, and thanks for watching.